Alright, so we're going to try give this a cold start, see if this is comparable to my father-in-law's. Check it out, let's see. Alright, let's hook the water up to it. Alright, so looks like we got a little leak. Might need a little repair. Let's see if it starts at least. Alright, let's see. Wow. Well, I just took a look real quick in my little hardware store that I have here. And wouldn't you know it, I had some wood drift keys, but then just randomly one of these, and it's perfect fit. I love when you save things. That's perfect. But I was cleaning this shaft here with my Dremel, and it's dead. It just all of a sudden just died. Well, it's okay. Trying to get rid of that glare. There it is. Okay. Alright, so let's clean this up a little bit. And shine this up. Steel wool, that'll be fine. Keyway, I think that's what this is called. I don't know. I saved it from something. It's cool though. Perfect fit. Went too far. Let's see. I don't know if that's too long. I think it's fine. Alright, trying to get back to and finishing this. The last video I made of this ran into an issue. I ordered the correct pump for this model pressure washer, and I didn't check the size of the shaft when I bought it on the listing, and I don't know what the conflict was, but the shaft size was a 3/4 inch and I needed a 7/8. So getting back to this thing, finally got the right one. Let's take a look at it. Alright, this looks okay. Okay, I'm going to swap this fitting and we'll bring it back in a minute. Alright, there's really nothing to it. Swap this fitting for the hose to go out. Pressure washer, this is a high pressure. This is your water line. Throw the keyway in. And let's see, I want to orientate this. And suppose like this. I don't know if it matters. This other one was like this. So we'll just do the same thing. So it's like that. Yeah, it looks right. I always save the old parts till the very end. You never know. Okay, we just bolt it on. Still gonna have to continue this video another time because I'm missing 2 more parts. There's like a fitting that for the hose and the actual gun for it. So we'll get back to this one. Alright, so we're finally getting back to this. It's been a while. I guess that's what happens when you purchase certain items off of eBay from China. The worst part was this one here, this fitting came from China. But anyway, let's try this out. The pump was replaced. I think I made a video of that, and let's try it out. Put this down here. Hey! Yeah! That looks cool. Put these hoses